Okay, we're here to do the April 9th daily word problem, the last word problem before our spring break. And if you are here with me, that means you have already read this problem, you have solved it, you wrote an equation, you have an answer statement, and you are just coming here to see that Chicken Little is our guest, and he is our guest mathematician to help us solve this problem. I love math. I know you do, Chicken Little, but I'm going to have to put you over here, and then you can let us know if we're doing it right, okay? All right. Mrs. Howard's classroom has 21 students. Mrs. Baker's classroom has 3 fewer students than Mrs. Howard's classroom. How many students are there in both classes together? Okay, Mrs. Howard's classroom has 21 students. Mrs. Baker's classroom has Mrs. Baker's classroom student, what? Okay, typo, but we're going to continue. Mrs. Baker's classroom has 3 fewer students than Mrs. Howard's classroom. How many students are there in both classes together? Now, this is a kind of problem that at the beginning of the year we were missing a lot because a lot of you did this 21 minus 3 and you thought that was it. Well, they're telling you that we have one classroom that has 21 students. They want the all together, plus Mrs. Baker's classroom has 3 fewer students than Mrs. Howard's classroom. So we have to do this 21 minus 3 is what we're going to add to that 21 equals S for students. So again, Mrs. Howard's classroom, they give you what she has. And then they're telling you Mrs. Baker's is 3 fewer than that. So we have to figure out what's in Miss Baker's. So this is Baker's. And this is Howard's. Okay? So this is the key. And this is where a lot of times we forget to do that. Guys, don't forget. Pay attention. Okay. So what we have to do is 21 plus 21 minus 3 is what? 21 take away 3 is 18 equals the students. Now all we have to do is add these two numbers. We have 20 and 10. If I add the 10s, 20 plus 10 is 30. And then I add the 1s. 1 plus 8 is 9. We have 39. How many students are there in both classes? There are 39 students. I love it when the phone does that. We can never get away from that phone ringing, can we? No, but at least there weren't too many dings, so we're all right. We had a few little problems up here. We had a little interruption, but guess what? It's almost spring break. Yay, 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 yay. All right, guys. There are 39 students.